There is something deeply gratifying about taking a raw, unrefined piece of wood and turning it into something useful, beautiful, and enduring. For many, woodworking is more than a craft. It's a personal journey, a creative outlet, and, increasingly, a viable source of income. The combination of handmade charm and high profitability is exactly what draws so many to woodworking crafts, especially when the projects are tailored to suit every season. These seasonal projects not only bring fresh inspiration and variety, but also open the door to a steady, year-round stream of income. At its core, the intersection of handmade quality and high-profit potential embodies both personal satisfaction and practical outcomes, where design meets detail in a faceless world of creativity. Here, we explore woodworking projects and home decor ideas that inspire practical beauty. From simple crafts to elegant furniture, every video shows the heart of handmade style. We keep it focused and full of visual ideas that speak louder than words. If you love thoughtful design and handcrafted pieces, hit subscribe and let's bring your vision to life. Today we will show you a collection of 20 handmade and high-profit woodworking crafts design ideas for every season. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Creating handmade items taps into a primal human joy, the joy of making. In an age dominated by automation, digital tools, and mass production, the act of physically building something with your hands stands out as a form of rebellion against the ephemeral. Every cut, sanded edge, and joint form tells a story of time, attention, and intention. This emotional resonance is what gives handmade wooden crafts their unique power, not just for the maker, but for the buyer as well. They're not just purchasing a product, they're investing in authenticity and craftsmanship. This authenticity becomes especially meaningful when woodworking aligns with the seasons. Just as nature shifts from the quiet calm of winter to the blooming energy of spring, so too can woodworking projects reflect the changing moods, needs, and aesthetics of each season. In spring, floral planters and garden accessories become popular. Summer brings interest in outdoor furniture, picnic tables, or rustic signs. Autumn inspires cozy home decor, such as candle holders and wooden pumpkins, while winter calls for festive ornaments, gift boxes, and holiday-themed items. Each season offers unique opportunities to connect with customers who are looking for something that enhances the time of year in both form and function. For the woodworker, working in tune with the seasons provides constant inspiration. It prevents creative stagnation, encourages experimentation, and allows for marketing strategies that are dynamic rather than static. There's also a rhythm that mirrors nature, planting ideas in one season, nurturing them through design and build phases, and harvesting their value when they are sold and enjoyed. This cyclical process becomes a powerful motivator. It allows the maker to stay connected not just to the craft, but to the cultural and emotional pulse of the market. What makes seasonal woodworking projects particularly appealing from a business perspective is their high potential for profit. Unlike large furniture pieces that require significant time and resources, many seasonal crafts are smaller in size, quicker to produce, and more affordable for consumers. This means a higher turnover rate and lower overhead. Additionally, the handmade element allows the maker to command a premium. Buyers are willing to pay more for something that feels personal, exclusive, and timeless, especially when it's tied to a season or celebration they cherish. This blend of practicality and creativity is what gives woodworking such a wide appeal. A woodworker can start with just a few tools, a modest workspace, and basic knowledge, yet still produce items that have significant market value. With online platforms like Etsy, Amazon Handmade, and even local marketplaces or seasonal fairs, the reach and accessibility of handmade wooden items have never been greater. A well-crafted set of holiday ornaments, for instance, can sell consistently year after year with only minor updates or variations in design. The key lies in offering items that strike the perfect balance between aesthetics and usefulness. Hey there! Are you enjoying today's video so far? Let us know what part you liked most in the comments. We love hearing from you. Your feedback helps us bring you even better decor and woodworking inspiration. If you're getting value or ideas from this content, be sure to give it a thumbs up and stick around to the end. We've got more beautiful transformations and design ideas ahead. And if you haven't yet, consider subscribing to Decor Ideas. We post regularly to keep your creativity flowing. What also sets woodworking crafts apart is their longevity. Wooden items, when cared for properly, can last generations. This means that a gift purchased for a specific season, like a wooden advent calendar or a carved Easter centerpiece, has the potential to become a treasured family heirloom. It's this enduring value that gives wooden items a competitive edge in the marketplace. They're not disposable trends, but lasting pieces of someone's home and memory. For the maker, this realization is incredibly fulfilling. There is deep satisfaction in knowing that something you made with your own hands is now part of someone else's seasonal tradition. This connection between maker and user transforms the craft from a mere business to something far more profound, a form of legacy. Over time, woodworkers find themselves returning to favorite seasonal projects, refining their techniques, and exploring new designs, not just to sell, but because it brings them joy. It becomes a form of storytelling in wood, one piece at a time. Moreover, woodworking teaches patience, discipline, and the ability to adapt. These qualities are not only useful in the craft itself, but in life. As each season brings new materials, designs, and customer needs, woodworkers must learn to plan ahead, manage resources, and stay organized. These are practical skills that serve well beyond the workshop and into the broader world of entrepreneurship. Marketing also becomes more strategic and rewarding. With seasonal crafts, woodworkers can plan promotions around holidays, offer limited-time collections, or build anticipation through sneak peeks of upcoming projects. Customers love the excitement of seasonal exclusivity. It adds a sense of urgency and makes each purchase feel special. Social media and storytelling play a big role here, allowing makers to share behind-the-scenes content, seasonal styling tips, and the inspiration behind each creation. This transparency builds trust, deepens brand loyalty, and turns one-time buyers into long-term supporters. Perhaps one of the most underrated rewards of this journey is the freedom it offers. Woodworking allows for a flexible lifestyle, whether as a side hustle, a weekend hobby, or a full-time business. Seasonal crafts can be scaled up or down depending on the maker's time, interest, and financial goals. For many, this flexibility is what makes woodworking so sustainable. It doesn't require massive investment or overhead, yet it offers real potential for growth, both financially and personally. In the combination of handmade craftsmanship and high-profit potential, especially in the realm of seasonal woodworking crafts, offers a rare and powerful blend of personal satisfaction and practical outcome. For the beginner and experienced woodworker alike, this approach turns passion into purpose and purpose into profit. Each season becomes an invitation to create, to connect, and to celebrate the joy of making. And in that process, shaping wood with care, designing with intention, and sharing your work with the world, you build more than just projects. You build meaning, value, and a lasting legacy rooted in the art of handmade. Here are 20 handmade woodworking craft design ideas that can yield high profits throughout the seasons.
Spring.
Garden planters. Stylish wooden planters for flowers and herbs. Birdhouses. Unique, decorative birdhouses to attract local wildlife. Outdoor benches. Simple benches for gardens or patios. Flower boxes. Window boxes to enhance home exteriors. Summer. Picnic tables. Portable wooden picnic tables for outdoor gatherings. Sun loungers. Comfortable loungers for relaxing by the pool or beach. Wooden toys. Classic wooden toys, like pull-along animals or building blocks. Fire pit surrounds. Decorative wooden surrounds for outdoor fire pits.
Fall.
Harvest decor. Wooden pumpkins and autumn-themed decorations. Wooden signs. Personalized signs for fall festivals or home decor. Cozy blanket ladders. Stylish ladders for displaying blankets in living spaces. Wine racks. Rustic wooden wine racks for autumn gatherings. Winter, holiday ornaments. Handcrafted wooden ornaments for Christmas trees. Advent calendars. Unique wooden advent calendars for holiday countdowns. Sleds. Traditional wooden sleds for winter fun. Hot cocoa stations. Wooden organizers for hot drink supplies. Year-round. Key holders. Decorative wall-mounted key holders for organization. Picture frames. Custom wooden frames for cherished memories. Cutting boards. Unique, handcrafted cutting boards for kitchens. Desk organizers. Stylish organizers for home or office use. These projects can cater to seasonal trends and consumer interests, helping you maximize profits year-round. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked, handmade, and high-profit woodworking crafts, design ideas for every season. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next vid.